Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. They are places where gravity reigns supreme, bending space and time to extremes that seem almost impossible to imagine. From the outside, they appear simple, dark, invisible, and infinitely dense. Yet, beneath their calm exterior lies a puzzle that has challenged physicists for decades. What happens to the information about the matter that falls into a black hole? Is it lost forever, or does the universe find a way to preserve it? For centuries, black holes existed only in theory. Isaac Newton's laws of gravity described the pull of massive objects, and later, Einstein's theory of general relativity predicted the existence of regions where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. These predictions seemed fantastical, almost beyond comprehension. Yet over time, observations confirm that these objects are real. From the supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies to the smaller stellar remnants left by dying stars, black holes are everywhere, silently shaping the cosmos. The defining feature of a black hole is the event horizon. It is a boundary in space beyond which nothing can return. Cross it, and escape becomes impossible. The event horizon is not a physical wall, but a point of no return, a threshold where the rules of classical physics begin to break down. It is both a gateway and a trap, a boundary between the known universe and a region governed by extreme, unknown laws. For decades, physicists believed that once matter crossed the event horizon, all information about it vanished. This idea, simple as it seems, created one of the most profound paradoxes in modern physics. Quantum mechanics, the theory that governs the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, insists that information can never be truly destroyed. Every particle, every interaction, leaves a trace. But general relativity suggested otherwise. Anything that enters a black hole is irretrievably lost. Two pillars of science, one describing the very small, one describing the very large, were in direct conflict. This conflict came to be known as the black hole information paradox. It is a puzzle that challenges our understanding of reality itself. If information is lost in a black hole, then the universe is not fully predictable. Cause and effect, the fundamental principles upon which science relies, would break down at the event horizon. Yet if information is preserved, it must somehow escape or be stored in ways we do not yet fully understand. The paradox sparked decades of debate, speculation, and discovery. Physicists like Stephen Hawking, Jacob Bekenstein, and Leonard Susskind began exploring the thermodynamic properties of black holes. They discovered that black holes are not entirely black. They emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation, as a result of quantum effects near the event horizon. This radiation carries energy away from the black hole, slowly causing it to shrink. Over unimaginable timescales, a black hole could evaporate completely. But could it carry information with it? Or would that information vanish forever? Hawking initially argued that information was lost, that the universe forgets everything that falls into a black hole. His calculations suggested that the radiation emitted was completely random, carrying no traces of the matter it came from. This idea was unsettling, not only to scientists but to anyone who believes that the universe is orderly and comprehensible. It implied that some processes are fundamentally irreversible, that the universe has secrets it refuses to reveal. Yet other physicists resisted this conclusion. Quantum mechanics, after all, cannot allow true destruction of information. The search for reconciliation between general relativity and quantum theory became a driving force in modern physics. ideas emerge suggesting that the information is not destroyed but encoded at the event horizon itself, perhaps in a holographic form. Every particle, every detail, could be preserved on the surface of the black hole, like an immense cosmic ledger recording the universe's history. This idea, known as the holographic principle, implies that reality is more subtle than our senses perceive. It suggests that the three-dimensional world we inhabit could be described by information encoded on a distant, two-dimensional surface. Black holes, in this sense, are laboratories for understanding the deepest principles of space, time, and information. They are not merely destructive objects. They are messengers, offering clues about the fabric of the cosmos. Recent advances in theoretical physics have explored even more exotic possibilities. Some scientists propose that information may escape through subtle correlations in Hawking radiation, effectively leaking from the black hole over time. Others suggest that wormholes or other quantum effects could act as bridges, connecting the interior of the black hole to the wider universe. Each hypothesis challenges intuition, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Observational astronomy has begun to shed light on these mysteries as well. The Event Horizon Telescope provided humanity's first image of a black hole, capturing the shadow of its event horizon against the glowing material surrounding it. Though the image does not reveal the fate of information directly, it confirms that the event horizon is a real, measurable boundary. By studying the light, radiation, and matter around black holes, astronomers hope to detect subtle clues about how these objects interact with the universe and how information might persist. The black hole information paradox is more than an abstract problem. It is a window into the ultimate laws of nature. It asks fundamental questions. Is the universe truly deterministic? Can information be destroyed, or is it eternal? What does it mean for reality if cause and effect break down at the heart of a black hole? These are questions that touch not only physics but philosophy, challenging our most basic assumptions about truth, reality, and the limits of knowledge. Understanding black holes may also illuminate the earliest moments of the universe. The conditions near an event horizon mimic those near the Big Bang: extreme densities, high energy, and warped spacetime. By studying black holes, physicists can test theories about how the universe began, how particles interact at the smallest scales, and how cosmic evolution unfolds. Black holes, in a sense, are both the endpoints of matter and the key to understanding beginnings. Despite decades of study, the ultimate answer remains elusive. The question of whether information is truly lost forever has no final resolution yet. Each discovery, each new theory, brings us closer to understanding a reality that is both stranger and more elegant than we ever imagined. Black holes challenge us to expand our thinking, to accept uncertainty, and to imagine new ways that the universe could preserve its secrets. Black holes are not merely objects to fear or marvel at. They are teachers. They reveal that even the darkest, most extreme corners of the cosmos are governed by rules, patterns, and principles waiting to be discovered. They remind us that our understanding of the universe is always incomplete, that mysteries can coexist with laws, and that curiosity is the most powerful tool we possess. The event horizon, with all its mystery, represents both a boundary and a promise. It is a limit to what we can observe directly, yet it is also a threshold to the deepest truths about reality. Every particle that approaches it carries a story. Every quantum fluctuation whispers a secret. And through careful study, persistent questioning, and bold imagination, humanity continues to learn how to listen.